All right, this tiny little thing might be the biggest quality upgrade you can make to your iPhone videos and vlogging skills for basically no money. Like literally $15. It's that cheap. I'm going to plug it in. I'm going to record some real clips. And by the end of this video, you're going to know if it's a buy now or if it's a complete waste of time. All right, so today we are looking at the DJI Mic Series mobile receiver. This thing is built and designed to work with your iPhone, which is brilliant because that means that we can finally use DJI's tiny little microphones with a Bluetooth connection through to our iPhones using the native camera app. That means no more bulky receivers sticking out of the end. That means no more third-party camera apps that don't necessarily always work when you think they're working. We are now streamlining the system. We can leave this thing plugged into the phone in our pocket and take it in and out and use it as we need to when we're out and about. So stick around and watch the next 60 seconds because I'm going to show you exactly why this thing was an absolute no-brainer, and I don't understand why this is not all over the place. Like, everybody should be shouting about this product, surely. All right, first up then is the wind test, and today is a very good day because it is very windy. So internal audio on the iPhone, just moving around so the mics pick up any of that wind. Now, to fix this problem, we plug in the little gizmo, your microphone attaches, and the world becomes much quieter. We're plugged in, the wind is still blowing, I can move you around exactly as we just did, and like I said, the world is just a much nicer, quieter place to be. Sick, properly sick piece of kit this. Spinning around right into the wind whips around this little courtyard. I got another example to show you. Come with me. Quick one before we jump into that though. Let me know in the comments below, what are you using mostly for recording your videos and your vlogs and that kind of stuff? Is it your phone or is it another camera? Because that can actually decide if this is a real no-brainer for you or not. Let me know below. Right, let me give you an example, real life example of how this would normally work. So I'm in the office, I'm editing program. I'm actually working on an 8-week, if you're interested, an 8-week bodybuilding program. So maybe you want to jump start after New Year's and get your New Year's resolution done. A message would pop up through here from a client. They're asking some questions about one of the workouts. Normally, this is how it would work. Nice, quick, simple sort of stuff. Get a couple of seconds, jump into the gym, lights on so we can see what we're doing. Now, let's just say, and I'm just making this up off the top of my head, so don't get stuck in on this one. Let's just say the workout is 10 strict pull-ups followed by 8 burpee box jump overs followed by 600 meters on the exercise bike. Normally I would grab the little camera stand, this one, pop you in there so you're in that. I'd then try and frame it so that I could get the pull-up bar in and be talking through this. Here's where things don't really work, because right now I'm talking to you through the camera microphone. As soon as I turn away, it goes quiet, and that means I've got to shout. So example, I'm now over here, the audio is not as good, yet I still need the camera to be able to show full range of movement. And then we've got the burpee box overs. So I'd be repositioning the camera. I'm still trying to talk to it. I flipped around, I'm all the way over here. I'm having a shout, it's just not very professional. I'm down, going through the box over. Still trying to talk through the movement, strategies. All the time having to shout. And then we're onto the bike. The bike's pretty self-explanatory. I'm not going to demo that, I'm getting out of breath. So that's how it would normally work. But now with the inclusion of this little gizmo, we can have really good audio. I can position the camera, in one point of the gym to cover everything, and I can run through it in one go and send that file straight off to the client without having to shout or move things around. Let me show you what I mean. So now we're plugged in, we're connected. Just clip the microphone somewhere sensible so we get sensible audio. Position the camera so that we can get a full view of what we need to do. So I can go movement number 1. I'm over here, I don't need to shout. I'm talking through benefits of training through full range of movement. Strength is only gained in the range it's trained, by the way, in case you were wondering. Strategies for being able to maintain big sets of burpee box step overs, jump overs. So stepping up, simple jump, straight over, not standing up on top of the box. And then I can be facing away all the way over here, setting up the bike and talking about pedaling away on this and using this as a means of recovery so that we can continue those two movements. And I'm not having to shout. I don't understand why this gizmo has, one, taken so long to come to market, and two, why it's not everywhere. This thing is legit brilliant. Okay, so we can see from that wind test and the bits and pieces in the gym how properly useful this is in fact for me, and that whole getting it in and out of the pocket and leaving this thing plugged in is ace. Now, the other good thing you can do with this receiver is we can have two microphones connected to it at the same time, so we can record a double audio track. Let me give you an example of that right now. So having two microphones connected to this thing is brilliant, and it's very versatile. Let's say you're some sort of travel vlogger and there's two of you out there and you're just making a tour of that, or you're wanting to become a fitness influencer and there's a pair of you in the gym and you're trying to do some bits and pieces. For Zoe and I, it's brilliant because I'm currently talking to you, Zoe's in front of me, and normally you wouldn't be able to hear her that well, which may or may not be a bad thing. I don't know, don't tell her I said that. But we're both mic'd up. You're mic'd up as well, aren't you, Zoe?
I'm mic'd up.
So you can hear Zoe even though you can't see her. She is here.
Hello. Happy Monday.
Yes.
Happy Cyber Monday.
Happy Cyber Monday. It is December the 1st today, isn't it?
Yeah.
December 1st. So two microphones, we're both mic'd up, we're both walking into the wind. This is recording both audio tracks. And even if I turn the camera away, which is pointing forwards, we still get the same audio. So it's ace. We've just returned from a trip out to Florida. We travel quite a lot. We've got some more travel vlogs coming. And I just used my phone purely for the vlog side of things, which was very liberating, simple, easy to do. I didn't have to carry extra kit. And now with this thing plugged in and both microphones, it just makes it, this wind is properly blowing at us, isn't it?
Yeah.
So I'm hoping this is working quite well, because this is a very good example
of the British weather.
Of the British weather, of why having an external microphone, Bluetooth to your phone without having to use extra apps and bits and pieces works really well. Right, back to me in the Batcave. Go. So then, is this the best piece of tech to come out in the last 12 months? Well, if you want to connect your Bluetooth microphone to your iPhone and you don't want to use external third-party apps and bits of kits and hacks and workarounds, and you want something that just works, and you don't want to spend more than 20 bucks, then yes, this is the best piece of tech in the last 12 months. However, if you don't vlog, do your videos on your iPhone, and or you don't want to connect a Bluetooth microphone to your iPhone, then no, it's not. Either way, less than $20, perfect for me. Talking of things that are less than $20 that will absolutely benefit your life more than you'll know it, and something that you can start to work on right now, link below for my 4-step fitness blueprint. It is currently December 1st. Get a jump start on your New Year's resolution. Work through that, some actionable tips and tricks in there that you can start to work on right now that will absolutely help you lose weight and tone up, get faster, fitter, stronger, healthier. Maybe you want to gain weight, a little bit of muscle. The 4 foundational, simple to follow steps that you can do now. Link is below, get on that. And if you like those and you're thinking about getting a big jump start on your New Year's resolution, then follow the other link for some workout programs that you can start today. Talking of workout programs that you can follow right now, watch this video next where I'll take you through how I use my Apple Watch, this one, and my iPhone to help me stay in great shape throughout the year. All right, as ever, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.